Hey everybody, so I got a new thermal printer to show you today. Now I did one of these before, same brand as well. They reached out and asked me if I would be interested in doing this, so I went ahead and accepted it. I know that I got some pretty good feedback with the last one I did, and some different questions as well. Other than that, you also get like a little bag, a little felt bag that you can keep it in. And you do get your user manual and you get your start guide. You don't really need a user manual, it's pretty easy to figure it out. Now, I do have it taped off just because Amazon's a little weird with QR codes and they like to reject videos with that. But what you're going to do is scan that little QR code that's right there, and that will launch where you can install the app. And when you install the app, you'll be able to do everything from there. Now, it does come with a small pack of thermal paper, just a few sheets. You don't get much. This will not work with regular printer paper for anybody that's wondering on that. It has to be the thermal. Now this one to me is a little bit more for mobile, but you could definitely connect it to a laptop, a MacBook if you wish. But I'm just going to show it with the phone. Now you are going to get an app, and you're going to need to install that app. It's going to connect, and you could do document printing. You could print from the web. You could do images. You could scan. And the setup of it is super simple. Now let's go ahead and just print something. All right, so feeding the paper in is quite simple. Make sure it's that side up. And it's going to feed it for you. And now let's go ahead and just do a quick print of a couple things. All right, let's say you're showing up and you need some blueprints for something, or maybe you just need to print like a floor plan, whatever it might be. You can load up that image on here. You can choose your copies. You can choose your thickness. So if you want light to heavy and dedicated, that's going to be your print quality pretty much. You go ahead and hit your check mark. Let's go ahead and print it. And you will see that it will print at a fairly decent speed. And there we go. So now we have a quick floor plan here printed out. So if this was something that you needed to do, this was just something I just grabbed off of Google real quick and printed it. But it did print out pretty well. It does look pretty nice and clear, nice and dark. Now I did print a different one ahead of time. That was when I was just testing it out, just kind of give you another idea. Now, let's say you need to get a document, maybe you're writing a contract, whatever it might be. Let's go ahead and feed another paper through here. Get it ready. All right, so I'll go ahead and hit print on that. Now this is going to be just a random sample contract that I grabbed off of the internet as well. All right, so we do have our contract here. It doesn't look too bad. So if you needed to do like a spur of the moment contract, you forgot it, and you need to just print it, you could do that. Now on a previous thermal printer that I did, I was asked some different questions. I know one of the questions I was asked for a couple different times was if it could be used for tattoo work. Now, I did have some other people comment and they said that you can use these for tattoos. Now, I don't have any experience with any of that, so I can't really do a demonstration on like transfer paper or anything like that for you, but they do say that you can use these for that. Anyway, if you need a portable printer that you can take on the road with you, it is thermal, so keep that in mind. You do have to buy the thermal paper. You can't use regular paper. This does work really well. It actually prints fairly quickly, and I haven't had any issues with it. The app works great as well. Now, if you are interested, I'll put a link down below where you can get some more information about this.